to calculate the surface area of the cylinder, so in this example, the radius is 7 inches and the height is 14 inches. So first, let's take the formula on how to find the surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, or you can simply factor out 2 pi r and then bracket r plus h. Okay, so to substitute or to calculate the surface area of this given cylinder, so let's identify or let's find the value of phi. So we can state that phi is equal to 3.14 and r is, or the radius is 7 inches, and the height of this cylinder is equal to 14 inches. Then let's substitute using the formula. So 2 pi is equal to 3.14, so 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 7, and then bracket r is 7 plus h is 14. Then after that, multiply 2 times 3.14, and that is 6.28, multiplied by 7, and then simplify 7 plus 14, and that is 21. So multiply all together, 6.28 times 7 times 21. So the total surface area of this cylinder is equal to 923.16 inches squared. Okay, that's all. Bye.